Right, we're back. It's Friday night. I've got a different spot in the camera now. But anyhow, let's get one last go. We'll see how we go. What we've got, it's all dry there now, so we'll have a look at the oil situation in the motor. Oh, that's what Darren said, you know. Possibly the sensor's leaking, so put another sensor and see if you get that changed in a decent amount of time and then go from there. So let's go have a look at the motor and check it out. So down under here was where our oil was yesterday. It's like sitting there overnight. It hasn't leaked stationary, so we're gonna fire it up and see if we just done a bad job cleaning yesterday or it still has an issue. I had it running, instantly leaked, so down in there somewhere, there it is. You can see the shininess down the bottom there, that's oil. So we'll try and get this changed out and see how we go. Here's our potential culprit, managed to get it out. Here's a new one. So now we'll get that back into the hole. It should be straightforward because we don't have to actually hold the other thing still because it'll just tighten it up further, the T-piece. So we'll whack a bit of, I bought some special silicone stuff to go on there, sealant, so we'll whack a bit on there and we'll put it back in. You got some of this Loctite 592. It's for this sort of job apparently. Power steering, fittings, things like that. I had to buy a giant packet, it cost like twice as much as a gauge, but I wasn't going to take any risks. So I'll whack a bit out on it and we'll try and get it back in there. There we go, we've got our sensor fitted. Just remember the engine mount this side's loose, so I'm going to change it, tighten the engine mount up. Might let that go off a bit, if it's going to go off or not. And then we'll test it. Got the engine mount tight. We've changed the left front tyre one, there was the ordinary. So put the Tarago tyre on there. Or was a spare tyre for Tarago I bought from a guy. So let's give this a go. And it still works. Oil pressure light works. See down there, but that has sorted out our oil leak. It goes back in focus. But down there, touch what I want now. The engine mount, it is dry. So that's all good, except we've had another problem. So I'll just show you what that is. And this is what actually means go to call it for this weekend. Went to adjust the brakes on the trailer, as you do. These things are drum brakes, and hear this splodgy noise, and all of a sudden, look over here, and that line has failed. So that's the end of that. So we'll get this apart, take it down to Farrelly's Mechanical, get some new hoses coming, and have it ready for Gunnedah in February on the 7th. Well, there you go. Like, who would have thought that we've got the car looking the best as looks as I've had it after Darren's got into it. Fix his phone and dots again. Yeah, it's looking good. It's got the radiator in the back, it's got the cages all shiny. The panel's going to get repainted again, but they're looking nice and straight and pretty good. And yeah, we've got that all these sorted. It was, yeah. We even had a, you get that signs, you got signs made for it. We even had a roll of numbers ready to go. And make some numbers out of the tape. But not to be. The trailer, yeah. Who would have thought the trailer would be the thing that causes problems anyhow? Yeah, we'll get that brake off the Farrelly's, ganker repairs, get some brake lines coming, get that sorted out, and yeah, we're ready for the race to go. No, yeah. Anyhow, enough of that. Yeah, so I'll be able to track tomorrow anyhow. I'll go with Darren and his Commodore, so we'll make some videos, we'll get some stuff on here after that, so stay watching. And as always, I do the help I can get, so especially in these dark times. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tell people about this, whatever. So anyhow, there we go. We almost got the car. Well, the car's ready. The driver's mostly ready, but we couldn't get the thing there safely. So yeah, it was close. We tried, but as always, next time. So until then, have fun.